15th of August from 1947 in India has become a very important day in the Indian history. It was the luckiest day to walk. We won freedom after a hard struggle. On that day, people chosen Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as a first Prime Minister. On that day, rejoice that present day with great joy every year. Thank you.
அடுத்தது
நீங்க எங்க பார்த்துக்கிறாங்க காசு வந்து மதிப்பு அதெல்லாம்